Hello guys, if you're into animation and have been eyeing Adobe Animate, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download Adobe Animate for free on both PC and Mac. Imagine having access to one of the leading animation tools in the industry without spending a single dollar. Let's get started. First, head over to the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign up page. Signing up is simple and hassle-free. Just enter your email and create a password. There are no hidden fees at this stage, so that you can proceed confidently. Once you've signed up, the next step is to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app serves as your central hub for all Adobe software, including Animate. The download process is quick and straightforward. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Creative Cloud app on your computer. After installation, launch the Creative Cloud app and sign in using the email address you used to register for the trial. You'll see a list of available Adobe applications. Scroll through until you find Animate, then click the install button. In just a few minutes, Adobe Animate will be ready to use on your PC or Mac. When choosing your plan, the business option offers a generous 14-day trial period, giving you ample time to explore all of Animate's advanced features. This plan is ideal for professionals who need comprehensive animation tools and additional support. On the other hand, the individual plan provides a 7-day trial, which is perfect for personal use and offers a solid introduction to what Animate can do. This trial period is an excellent opportunity to get hands-on experience and determine if Adobe Animate fits your animation needs before committing to a subscription. While Adobe's software isn't free indefinitely, the trial offers incredible value, considering its robust capabilities. My team and I rely on Adobe Animate for all our animation projects. It stands out as the best in the market. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy animating. I hope this guide helps you unlock Adobe Animate's full potential. See you in the next video.